Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of KuCoin, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. If you're looking to understand this platform better and maximize your rewards, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code r83QNF1 to start earning. So what exactly is KuCoin? KuCoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, KuCoin offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you trade efficiently and securely. Let's walk through the steps to use KuCoin and make the most out of it using the referral code r83QNF1. 1. Visit the KuCoin website or app first. Head over to the official KuCoin website or download the KuCoin app from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure you're on the official site to avoid any scams. 2. Create a KuCoin account. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address or phone number and create a strong password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then hit Sign Up. 3. Enter the KuCoin referral code. During the sign-up process, you'll see a field for a referral code. Enter r83QNF1 here. This is crucial to ensure you get your bonuses. 4. Complete KYC verification. To unlock all the rewards and ensure the security of your account, you'll need to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer verification process. This typically involves providing some personal information and a valid ID. 5. Start trading. Once your account is set up and verified, you can start trading. Explore the various trading options available on KuCoin to make informed decisions. KuCoin offers a variety of trading options to suit different trading styles. 1. Market orders. These are executed immediately at the current market price. 2. Limit orders. These allow you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. 3. Trigger orders. These are similar to limit orders but are activated only when a specific price level is reached. KuCoin supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum to various altcoins. This diversity allows traders to explore different assets and opportunities within the platform. Security is a top priority for KuCoin. The platform employs robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and advanced encryption protocols to protect user data and assets. Additionally, KuCoin collaborates with top security firms to ensure a safe trading environment. KuCoin offers competitive trading fees, which can be further reduced by using the referral code r83QNF1. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Spot trading fees. Typically lower fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. 2. Futures trading fees, slightly higher due to the leverage and advanced trading options available. 3. Discounts. Users can enjoy additional discounts based on their trading volume and VIP levels. KuCoin also offers wealth management services, including 1. KuCoin Wealth flexible term and fixed term products designed to help you grow your crypto assets. 2. Innovative products. Unique offerings that provide balanced risk-return profiles tailored to various investment strategies. Here are some tips to maximize your rewards on KuCoin. 1. Refer more friends. The more friends you invite, the more bonuses and cashback you earn. Each friend who signs up using your referral code brings additional rewards. 2. Stay active, regularly trade, and participate in platform activities to keep unlocking new bonuses and benefits. To sum up, KuCoin is an excellent cryptocurrency exchange platform with a wide range of features designed to cater to all types of traders. Don't forget to use the referral code r83QNF1 to get started with your bonuses. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So what are you waiting for? Head over to KuCoin, sign up using the referral code r83QNF1 and start earning your rewards today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.